For pronouncement of judgment, item number 1.
Item 1 for pronouncement of judgment.
Yes, I don't know.
The revision petition is allowed by setting aside the judgment of the trial court as well as of the appellate court. The revision petitioner is acquitted of the charge under Section 3A of the Railway Property Unlawful Possession Act.
For judgment, item number 2.
Item 2.
If you did allowed.
The criminal revision petition is dismissed. As a result, the trial court shall proceed to frame the charge in a manner as observed by the revisional court.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 6. Kindly allow me 3 weeks time to file a affidavit.
Why it has come for orders? I don't know, 6. Any service report? 6.
Lordship,
Yes.
Chief,
You have interim order. You have interim order.
Yes, this will be remote, Lordship, but the respect of his phone number 4 and 5, Lordship, they are the district customary court.
Yes.
So the court cannot be the party. So I sought time, the last occasion to delete the name, filing the appropriate application, Lordship. And I'm yet to file because there's a problem with the communication.
Respond of 4 and 5.
4 and 5.
Okay.
I will grant some time, one more time, Lordship.
Okay, he's anyway asking for 3 weeks time.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Mr. Fosego Hotel Learning Counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. E. Thiba from Learned Government Advocate for the respondent number 1, 2, and 3. You are appearing for?
Responding 6, 7, and 8, Lordship.
Okay. And Mr.
Bound the petitioner.
Okay. Learned Counsel for the respondent number 6, 7, 8 are present. So, Mr. Fote has submitted that he requests 3 weeks time to file appropriate pleading seeking deletion of the names of the respondent number 4 and 5 from the area of respondents. Post of Mr. Chivapong, my government advocate, has prayed for and is granted 3 weeks' time to file counter affidavit on behalf of the state respondents. Post of the prayers are allowed, list the case after 3 weeks. The interim order past 30 days shall continue till the next.
Much obliged. Vice Mayor.
Wait, please, my lord. Lordship, I filed this IA 2 days back. Yesterday, I mentioned before my lordship, but my lordship said to be listed today. IA number 178. However, today.
I did not say anything. I said regarding RTI only. RTI only I said.
Yesterday.
The other matter, I am not saying anything. I was not saying.
Lordship. Yesterday, IA, that is 178. It is not listed today, so can it be kindly?
Not today, some other day.
Lordship.
I did not permit you.
Clarification.
I did not permit you. I permitted only the writ petition
Yes,
individual,
petition.
not the other method.
That's why today, it was to be listed today.
What is the urgency?
Lordship,
I don't find any urgency.
I have stated before the Honorable Court that it's just the matter is that the petitioners are only confined to seniority issue.
That cannot be related. It is required to be a full-scale hearing. We can direct it to list on immediately on the opening day, reopening day. Okay, write it 6th of October.
May I please,
Permit.
Lordship? Lordship,
Yes, please.
I beg your kind indulgence to allow me to move one unlisted item.
What is the urgency?
Lordship, here illegal and unauthorized construction is carried out by one responding party, to which I need
Okay,
an entry protection. Right. Lordship, I have also filed a petition this morning, my lord. There is extreme urgency in the sense, Lordship, the petitioner have not been allowed to submit rectified copies of the tender documents, bid documents, whereas the private respondents, they have been allowed and they have been not selected, my lord. And there is need for.
they have been selected.
Yes, my lord. We have unequal opportunity has been given to them,
Okay, we'll examine it.
my lord. my lord.
Okay, bring it.
Keep your pledge.
But before I rise, get the matter listed.
My lord, then in that case, I may be allowed to take my chances in court too. I have, I have been informed that my lord will be traveling today.
Yes.
My lord, I am deeply obliged.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 3 and 4.
Yes, sir.
Can you grant us one return to file our affidavit in reply?
Okay, we have hardly 5 meters. You wait for your turn. We don't have 30-40 meters. Your item is only 3 and 4. You wait for your turn.
For admission, item numbers 1 and 2.
Yes, Mr. Mujib.
Actually, the matter is confined to limited question of lordship. Now, as per the direction of this honorable court, the deputy commissioner was directed to survey the land, whether it's a private individual land or it's a common land. As per this court's order. The deputy commissioner has done the survey and it's found that this is a common land, equally dotted by different individuals and clans. Now the petitioner is claiming appointment on land ownership basis. And the land ownership certificate was issued by the deputy commissioner office, but subsequently cancelled by the deputy commissioner office because it was found out that this is a common land. Now the petitioners are here before this court claiming land ownership appointment ownership and also challenging the deputy commissioners cancellation as well as the verification. Now the issue involved is disputed question of facts. Now whether this
Verification is maybe a disputed question of fact.
Yes.
That cancellation may be.
that cancellation has been duly acknowledged by this honorable court in the earlier judgment
Okay.
because they challenged the cancellation.
Earlier it was challenged.
Yes,
Then what happened?
the court said that since it has already been cancelled, now the deputy commissioner was asked to verify the land. whether it is a common land or an individual land.
Okay.
Now, Lordship, there is one issue.
Hmm.
One of the grandson of the landowner, who is also a petitioner in WPC number 297.
Hmm.
He has been appointed and he retired in 2014.
His predecessor,
Yes.
then right will stand extinguished. It cannot be hereditary. The policy says
One time.
one time.
It cannot be in perpetuity.
Yes, cannot be in perpetuity. What is your relationship with that man who retired?
Your Lordship, the petitioner is a grandson of.
Grandson.
Yes.
Then we don't have to go to the other aspect. If he is the grandson
And
of
he
a
has
person who retired, who was appointed on land ownership basis, if your grandfather was appointed on land ownership basis, then you cannot claim any right. Your right is extinguished. If it is a fact.
Your Lordship, in the last order dated 2025, I was found.
No, if you are a grandson, then out. This process, you are moving the state machinery for unreasonable purpose. If you are the grandson. What is the fact? There are two petitions by the same
Yes.
petitioner.
Lordship, I filed my affidavit in
No,
WPC number
what
298.
is there are three petitioners in item number 1. Ms. Gibbs,
Yes, Lord.
who are these petitioners?
They are the grandson of the landowner who has
Already
been
appointed and retired.
Yes.
Let us see.
And in the next petition, 298, he is the one who has been appointed and he has retired.
Let us see first one.
Lordship.
Madam, shall we take up?
Your Lordship, we would be challenging the communication dated 10/19/2024 and clarification thereto.
No, first, if you are claiming what, let us see first your prayer. Impugn resolution, impugn inquiry committee, impugn office order, cancelling the land ownership certificate of the petitioner should not be quashed. Where is the impugn office order? 2012-2017.
Lordship, can they come to
These are from the same family.
yes, Lord.
Mamu.
Page 58, Annex 10. This is the cancellation of the land ownership certificate,
In approval to
page 58.
now, how they have described themselves, the petitioners,
Lordship.
how they have described themselves in the petitioners, how they have described themselves. Petitioner 1 is authorized by the co-petitioners to file the petition. All are Sakrunu, but son of 3 different persons.
Yes.
Deputy Commissioner. Where from we can get their lineage?
Lordship, the lineage, they have not shown the lineage, but they have only made a statement saying that their grandfather, Mr. late Jebu.
Where is it? Where is it?
Paragraph 2. WPC number 297, Lordship, page 7.
Page
Paragraph
7 to paragraph 2.
The paragraph 2, Lordship.
Descendants.
Yes, the petitioners are the descendant of late Jebu Chapuno, who is the land owner of the land where President GMS Kitchadama.
What is GMS?
Government Middle School.
Government Middle School.
Yes, Lordship.
Said they must and they are agree by the actions of the rights of landowner with regard to present GMS Sadema dominated by land Jebu has been taken by West Indian land. And where from we can get the Jebu or Sakruno was appointed?
No, his grandson. Lordship, I have made a categorical statement in my affidavit in WBC number 298.
WPC.
Page WBC 298, Lordship as well.
Yes,
Lordship, may kindly come to page 3, paragraph D.
page 3.
Yes, of my affidavit, private respondent.
Oh, private response.
Yes. Lord. Because we represent the different clans.
Which paragraph?
Paragraph 3. Paragraph D, 2D, 3D, Lordship. Page 3.
Response number?
Respondent number 6 to 16.
6 to 6.
Yes. We are the different clan members, as well as the village execution committee, VEC. Lordship, may kindly come to page 3D. In the earlier part of 1980s, Lordship has formed.
3D, yes, but the land ownership.
Yeah. In the earlier part of 1980s, more lands were required for construction of toilet and fencing for the school.
Mhm.
And as such, the managing board with.
I'm not with you. 3D,
3D.
issues.
Uh,
Oh, affidavit, I am looking at affidavit in reply, sorry.
yes. Affidavit in opposition of.
3D,
Yes, Lord. Lordship has formed. In the earlier part of 1980s, more lands were required for construction of toilet and fencing for the school, and as such, the managing board with all the clan representatives, and along with late Jebu Chapno, now the descendants are here before the court, Lordship, agreed to exchange a portion of land adjacent to the school building belonging to late Jebu Chapno without any condition. However, as a gesture for land exchange, the school management board recommended to allot one post to late Jebu Chapno children. Accordingly, in how Chapno, the grandson of late Jebu, was appointed and he died in 2024. Now, the writ petition, the petitioner in 298 is the one who has been appointed.
petitioner.
Yes.
Why petitioner is, this petitioner is preferring the writ petition? If he is appointed already, why?
Sorry, WBC 297. In this how? 297. Sorry, 297. The writ petitioner number 1.
Ganesha
Chapno.
Sakruno.
Yes.
He is appointed?
And he retired in 2024, last year. He was appointed way back in 80s. He retired last year. And he is
Let
filing
me,
this writ petition
For what?
seeking for appointment of his descendants. The petitioner number 1 in WBC 297 laws.
297, petition.
Kennesaw.
Incurred committee report. Where spot is done with the committee and revision with the. This land ownership certificate regarding any government institution, right? where a government institution is in respect of a plot of land, where a government institution is set up. Apart from claiming appointment under the land ownership policy, is there any other purpose?
Lordship, 5th
No.
March 2018, and notice was issued, based on the direction of this honorable court. Because
That is why I am asking them, because
beyond that, there's
no,
nothing.
what cannot be done directly cannot be indirect.
Lordship, yes.
If land ownership certificate in respect of a plot of land, which has already gone to the government,
Yes.
right?
Yes,
And government have set up an institution,
Lordship.
right? And some report comes or whatever. The fact of the matter is that because even if we assume that you have donated, one man got appointed.
Yes.
So, right to claim appointment on the basis of land ownership is extinguished.
Yes.
Because the policy is that the policy is not to act on perpetuity. Once a member from the family has been appointed, then no other member from the family is to be appointed again.
Yes.
So that is why you seek cancellation of inquiry report, verification report, but what is the purpose? What is the purpose behind it?
Your Lordship,
Any other right? Because land has already gone to the government. Long back. Any other purpose?
Your Lordship, allow me something.
You are seeking cancellation of the verification report. What matter? Why it is reported? If the reason behind is to claim appointment on the landowner policy, don't think anything
Yes.
anything survives otherwise. You are moving state machinery, all deputy commissioner is going for verification and all. What is the reason behind it? Any other purpose other than claiming appointment? Because you are, if landowner certificate in respect of a plot of land which has been utilized by the government, say 40 years back, apart from claiming appointments, is there any other purpose? Because you are moving the state machinery and you are also moving the court. Tell me, any other purpose, otherwise I'm going to impose cost. If no purpose is going to be served, but you are still moving and court is directing, I have seen verification and all.
Yes.
That is, I have primacy of the view that no purpose is going to be served. If you three petitioners are descendants of that man, the petitioner number one, he got the benefit.
Yes.
Now he is trying to hand over
His birthright to.
to others. That cannot be done. Think it over.
Your Lordship.
Okay. Think it over. Yes, no, you let her think it over.
Lordship.
The petitioner number one should not have been here.
Should not have been here, yes. He's rather exposed himself.
Okay, Achula. Oh, you are, no, sorry.
I'm appearing on behalf of the senior.
Okay. Miss
Sigmo.
Sigmo Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Third, and Miss and Muju Learned Counsel for the private respondents. Also had Mr. E.T.
I'm appearing on behalf of Muslim Sir, Council of the State.
Okay, E.T. on for representing Mr.
Muslim Sir.
State Council, Coastal. Ms. So-and-so has paid for listing of the cases after a week in order to obtain further instructions. List the cases after a week.
On 9th, Lordship.
Okay,
completes, 9
please the case on 9th.
That's fixed item.
9th. Take your instruction.
Apply to it.
For admission, item numbers 3 and 4.
Yes, somebody made a prayer a morning.
My police your worship.
Yes, you made a prayer. Yes, what is your prayer?
Kindly grant us 1 week time to file our affidavit.
Affidavit in reply. There are 2 cases. You'll be filing affidavit in reply in both the cases.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Mr. Angami, you are for state
Yes, sir.
and private respondent.
Yes, my lord. I for respondent 5 to 27 in WPC
Okay.
300 TOs.
Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioners. And Mr.
Elam Tong Bim Chongor.
learned counsel for the respondent number.
5 to 27 in WPC 300 TOs 2024.
Okay. And
And
respondent
5
number.
to 5 to 8 and 10 to 35 in WPC 194 in 2024.
And
My lord, I'm for R4 in both cases.
R4, both the cases. Pustak also heard Mr. Angami. Okay. And Learned State Council, close to Mr. So-and-so, Learned Council for the petitioners, has sought 1 week time to file affidavit in reply on behalf of the petitioners in both the petitions. Close to. The prayer is not opposed by the Learned Council for the other sides. Close to, the prayer is allowed, list the cases after 1 week for filing of the affidavit in reply by the petitioners.
For admission, item number 5.
Yes, Mr. Theo.
May I please worship? My lord, I'm mentioning on behalf of Masum Shah, counsel for the state. Kindly allow 3 weeks time to file it.
You'll file affidavit.
Yes, to file affidavit.
Yeah. Miss
Kim Pianar, Lordship. Lordship, there is an injury.
Kim PNU, Learned Counsel for the petition is present. Mr. E. Tibakong, Learned State Counsel, has prayed on behalf of Mr.
Masum Shah.
Learned State Counsel who is handling the brief. Most of his Mr. Home has submitted, has prayed for 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition on behalf of the state respondents. The prayer is allowed. Release the case after 3 weeks. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Much obliged.
For unlisted motion, item number 7.
May I please lordship?
Yes.
Yes, lordship, here the petitioner is a lawful owner of a plot of land covered by Pata number 30, tag number 449, HGS Road, Timapur, measuring around 2,736 square feet as per record. However, on ground, it is only 2,362.88 square feet. Now here, lordship, private respondent number 3. In the lemon side, Sri Dipankar Jain Samaj had obtained a permit from the Dimapur Municipal Council on 18/5/2019. As per the permit, he has started constructing building, residential as well as commercial, just adjacent to the petitioner's plot of land. Now, lordship, here what happened was that in the construction, the private respondent has not kept any setbacks, but otherwise he has touched the wall of the petitioner, inclining to the wall of the petitioner, not as per the norms and regulation of the Municipal Planning Act. Thereby, we are stopped from exercising our right. That is, there is no free passage within the cap. The walls are both touched together and there's no space at all. So thereby, we have already approached the municipal council addressing such issues. However, that issues have been not addressed by the municipal council. In fact, in guise of that, knowing fully very well that the respondent is illegally acting on it, have shifted. In fact, have shifted its jurisdictional focus to DC Dimapur.
Now, you want to say in Dimapur, who is the municipal council?
Yes, Your Lord.
You made complaint.
I have made a complaint.
You made a complaint.
Yes, on second.
Have you annexed any,
Yes, ma'am.
no. Have you
Yes, ma'am.
annexed any building construction permit of the private respondent?
Yes, Your Lord. So it is at page 15. Page 15, Lordship. Here, the specification is already been mentioned. Lordship, annexure B, page 15.
See, Mr. Council, one thing. You have a private plot of land.
Yes, my lord.
Respondent number 3 has a private plot of
Yes.
land. He has obtained
Okay.
NOC for construction, right?
Correct.
And he violating that,
Yes.
he is constructing,
Yes.
right? Say he has to leave, say, 5 feet.
Yes.
He has left only 2,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
That part is private action.
Yes, yes, Lord.
If you have direct allegation against him, then you have to be before Supreme Court, civil court.
True.
But inaction you are alleging against municipal
Yes, Lord.
board, then we can entertain
Yes.
that despite filing representations or complaints before the municipal board, they are not acting,
Yes, Lord.
but at this stage, an order granting interim relief is difficult.
Lordship.
Because,
if I may-
because we have to hear the municipal board also. Otherwise, 1 versus 1, it is a civil dispute,
Correct, Lordship.
right?
Parties are
That,
here
but if you are alleging inaction
in action.
on the part of the
Municipal council.
local authority, that is municipal board, then we have to hear them, then only we can stop construction. Because if later on it turns out that he is constructing as per the NOC and a stay order is operating, and because of that for 1 year he is not able to construct, then who will compensate him? You.
No, Lordship, to that effect, in fact, the permit is of 2019.
Right.
Yes, it is of 18th May 2019.
That is why I say I'll issue notice. But interim order will be, prayer for interim relief will be kept open.
No, Lordship, then in that case, they'll continue constructing
We
work.
cannot
Of
stop.
course, it is.
Then you
affecting-
deposit bank guarantee of 50 lakhs.
No, Lordship, here,
Who will compensate? Court is not going to compensate,
correct what?
right? You do one thing, we can allow you to serve dusty also. And your prayer for interim relief will be kept open for consideration on the returnable debt because you serve the council, municipal board. Right? In their presence, we can do it.
Status quo may be
Difficult,
inapplication.
difficult.
Otherwise-
Then I'll decline. Expressly decline. This will be difficult
Lordship, here then, if you may kindly.
because
look
the
at-
construction has gone on. Where is your representation?
My representation is.
2-1 initially January. Initially January, 2nd January 2025.
Correct.
Is it not?
Yes,
And we are in end of September.
in fact, Lordship, here I also submitted. Sorry, the private respondent.
We are with you, but we have also judicial parameters.
in
Mr.
fact,
Thivapam, you appear for whom?
No,
Deputy Commissioner.
yeah, I have not received any petition.
Yes, sir. You know,
So
sir.
I've served yesterday, it's. With Muslim sir. Otherwise, I've already served.
Okay, you serve a copy to me. Do the municipal board has any standing council?
As of now, I have no knowledge about them.
Had there been a standing council, yes, I could have considered your
Lordship,
interpreter.
in one occasion, after I submitted this representation, the municipal council have visited the spot, verified, and have verbally stopped the respondent number 3 from taking any action, further action.
Really, sir.
Yes, Lordship, that is it, that is it. So therefore, that happened at that point of time. But knowing fully very well, this respondent has approached the DC to swiftly divert the jurisdictional focus. Otherwise, which is within the parameter of municipal council. Now, Lordship, if you look at Annexure D, the photograph of the.
I have seen.
Yes, Lordship, there's no space at all, in fact, not even 1 feet. It's just directly touching the wall of the petitioner. Thereby, the permit has only granted him to leave 5 feet on the north, 10 feet on the south, east 5 feet.
Now, your
West
side is
5 feet.
which side?
Mine is on the west, Lordship. Because as per page number 14.
Tell me, page 14,
Yes,
margin towards north, south, east, and west mentioned.
mine,
Right?
yes.
You cannot be in all sides. Which side?
No, that's fine. My block is at 486 in the middle.
No, tell me which side? North, south, east, west.
So he's constructing four.
No, your land.
West side. Mine is on the east side. On the east side. He's constructing on the west side.
So, last one, west side. In his west side,
Yes, Lordship.
in the west side of his plot, respondent number 3's plot of land, he was required to leave 5 feet,
Yes,
right?
correct.
Instead of it, he had
Encroaching
left.
my side.
Huh?
Encroaching my side also.
He did not, he has not left 5 feet.
Any space at all.
No
In fact, he's
space.
encroaching my side.
So in the boundary wall he has constructed.
Yes.
In the boundary.
Yes, Lord. Not even boundary, Lordship. I have stated that. In fact, I own a measuring area of 2,736
Then,
square feet. But otherwise,
then, sir, deputy commissioner will be in picture.
that's why verification
They-
report already here.
Municipal board is with construction.
Correct, Lord.
Any encroachment issue,
Will be dealt by the TC. But
no.
the case,
If the private, there is a distinction, sir.
Lordship.
If private party encroaches and they have gone beyond their boundary, started constructing something on a piece of land which you claim is yours, then that is a civil action. Remedy lies in civil court.
Yes, Lord.
DC cannot do anything. You have to take declaration, decree, restoration of possession, eviction. If you versus respondent number 3, and respondent number 3 has constructed something on a piece of land which you claim is yours, then that is pure, simple encroachment by a private party. DC can come only for marking the boundaries. DC cannot evict private respondent number 3, nor the municipal board can evict private respondent number 3, right?
Correct, Lordship.
So far as construction is concerned,
Yes.
in accordance with the no objection certificate given by the municipal board, if he was required to leave 5 feet on the west side and he has not left it and he crossed that limit, yes, that is a matter
Yes.
within the jurisdiction of the municipal board. To that extent, so for encroachment by respondent number 3, that is not
I
the
think-
purpose of the writ court. I'll throw this repetition.
Lordship, I understood that.
Have
No,
you
I'm not-
understood?
Yes, Lordship. I'm only.
So I can only expedite, sir. I can issue notice. You serve to the municipal board by way of dusty also. I can permit you if you want, or otherwise we'll simple notice and leave the interim prayer for consideration on the returnable. No way.
Worship, otherwise, the Supreme Court in cases have pointed out that in such a case,
Are you really pressing that? Then leave all the Supreme Court. I'm here. Here you are. But at the same time, you run the risk of declination of the interim. Am I clear? I'll decline. Showing reason.
notice petition.
Because at this time, we cannot stop construction just for the sake of it. After the entire pains, yes, stop. So for enforcement part, it is a purely private dispute.
I'm not present. I'm only pointing out to the factual scenario.
Right. I have seen it. You have a privacy case, definitely. But at this stage, stoppage is very difficult. Which is your side in the photograph?
Lordship, at page number 14, numbering 4x6 is my plot.
No. In the page 18 and 19. Your photograph,
Lordship, that's right. On
which
the
side?
right hand side, as you look at it.
You
right
should
hand-
have taken the photograph in a manner that we can understand that this is your plot and that is his plot. You have simply taken photograph of his plot, is it not? Where is your plot in the photograph?
My plot is on the right hand side.
That is not visible.
In fact, Lordship,
That
there's
not visible in the photograph? Am I correct?
Yes, Lordship, there's no any correction made.
Okay, who is this man in page 19?
You are the person who have went to take the photograph.
Yes. Heard, Mr.
They both.
Aliba Ojukum, learned counsel for a petition, and Mr. E. Thibapum, learned government advocate, Nagaland, for the respondent number 1,
Yes,
Deputy Commission,
yes.
post of. The petitioner has projected that he is the owner of a building situated at GS Road, Dimapur, covering an area of 2736 square feet, within bracket approx, as per records, and 2362.88 square feet actually. Post of. The respondent number 3 has obtained a no construction, no objection certificate for construction on 18/5/2019
Yes,
for construction of a multi-storied RCC building in a plot of land towards the eastern side of the petitioner's building stroke land. Post of. As per the NOC for construction, the respondent number 3 was required to keep a margin of 5 feet towards the western side. Post of. The petitioner has stated that the respondent number 3 has been constructing the multi-storied RCC building in the adjacent plot towards the western side of the petitioner's building stroke land without keeping 5 feet margin in its western side. The petitioner has petitioner has further alleged that the respondent number 3 has not kept any margin towards the western side of his plot of land. So rather, the respondent number 3 has constructed a part of his building on the petitioner's plot of land. This is your case? No 5 feet,
No 5 feet,
not in the boundary.
not in the boundary.
In fact, he has constructed,
Exceeding the actual boundary.
meaning they were in your plot.
Yes, Lord.
Posted. The petitioner has stated that when the petitioner approached the respondent number 2, Dimapur Municipal Board with his grievance and seeking interference by submitting representations, the respondent number 2 has not taken any discernible action to stop the illegal construction which is being done by the respondent, which is being carried out by the respondent number 3. Postal. Para. Issue notice returnable on 17/10/2025 as Mr. Hom has appeared accepted respondent number 1. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 3 and the respondent number 4 by registered post with AD poster within 3 working days from today. In addition, as prayed for by the learned counsel for the petitioner, the petitioner is permitted to take steps upon the respondent number 2 and the respondent number 3 by way of dusty poster, which is to be routed through the registry post of after serving the notices upon the respondent number 2 and the respondent number 3 by way of dusty, the petitioner shall submit a compliance affidavit to that effect on or before the next date of listing. Post of the petitioner has also a prayer for interim relief. Post of the petitioner has sought which is the imprint permit page
15, Lordship.
or that NOC.
Yes, Lordship. That's a permit.
Oh, okay. Petitioner has sought stay. Of the NOC for construction dated
15.
by 2019 issued by the respondent number 2 municipal board in favor of the respondent number 3 and stroke or for a direction to the respondent number 3 for a direction to maintain status quo, because we cannot direct a private party to maintain status quo. Something wrong, and this cannot be stayed also. 2019 NOC. After 6 years, we cannot stay there. You should have rephrased the interim relief in a better manner. You are seeking a direction to the private respondent number 3 to maintain status quo. And we are in a public remedy. We cannot direct the respond number 3 to maintain status quo. We can direct respond number 2 and respond 1 and 2 to ensure that no construction. Yes, right. So you, while preparing the interim prayer, you also take care of it. Right. Okay, well, leave it, otherwise it will be difficult. The prayer for interim relief is kept open for consideration on returnable date and on appearance of the respondent number 2, Dimapur Municipal Board. You file an IA refreshing the interim relief. This is
Next.
not for me to advise, because 6 years back NOC was issued. That cannot be stopped, stayed after 6 years. This is a very stale claim. Secondly, we cannot direct the respondent number 3 to maintain status. We can direct at a deputy commissioner or a municipal board, which are authorities, that you ensure that no construction is carried out. Right? Take care of it. Yes, Mr. Bhakti.
I know it's not appropriate and I sincerely apologize, but item 6, while I was appearing in court 1, item 6 was mentioned by my friend. I have some short submission. I have instructions from the leading counsel, P. Pais Lutha.
Sir, you should have ensured somebody here.
I
It is not that when it is fixed.
It was. You said after 3 weeks. My lord, in that case, I've sought 3 weeks time to file a affidavit. Yes.
Okay. We can put a fixed date. He is supposed to file affidavit,
Yes.
right? And you should have kept somebody here.
Yes, my lord,
At least
I
that-
sincerely apologize, my lord.
We can put a fixed date.
16.
Instead of uncertain date, we can fix a fixed date. Since his prayer has already been allowed, madam, you put a fixed date in item 6. After 3 weeks, you count 3 weeks from now on. Today is 26th of September. Then 3rd of September, 10th, 17th.
23, my lord.
Okay, 23 is okay, otherwise 17th.
Okay, 17.
17th. Exactly 3 weeks.
My lord, highly obliged. Much obliged.